Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best ATC spindle on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product review video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Fullmida ATC Spindle. Fullmida ATC Spindle is a kind of CNC spindle which mounted on the milling machine. It is a synchronous belt drive spindle which is made of high-speed steel and its surface is coated by hard material to ensure the long working life. Fullmida ATC Spindle is suitable for the high-speed milling spindle, over speed is no more than 55,000 rpm. This product is made according to the standards of BT30 and its clamp disc is made from high-quality cast iron. The spring drawbar is made from alloy steel. The ATC pedal clamp disc is made from steel and its diameter is 90 mm. Fullmida ATC Spindle is a professional product, it has the good quality, the reasonable price and the good service. Number 4. Iklestar BT30 Spindle. Iklestar BT30 ATC Spindle is the best-selling spindle in the market. It is a perfect combination of quality, price and performance. It is suitable for milling and carving. With a single-piece casting base, it has a high accuracy. It is equipped with a machine-controlled brake to avoid the spindle from slipping during work. With a synchro belt transmission, it can reduce the vibration and noise. This spindle is compatible with BT30 and BT50 slot, which makes it very easy to use. It also has a cooling fan and a pail shelf, which can make the spindle work more stable. Number 3. TwoWin ATC Spindle. The TwoWin ATC Spindle is a high-precision and durable spindle for milling applications. It is a powerful spindle with high torque. The ATC spindle can be operated in both directions and is suitable for CNC mills. The ATC spindle is a very versatile spindle and is compatible to all kinds of mills. TwoWin ATC Spindle is perfect for CNC milling. BT30 pedal clamp height, high precision 45W, 45 teeth, 180 mm, belt pulley, 2 drawbar, belt pulley, TwoWin ATC Spindle. Number 2. Tecnr ATC Spindle. The Tecnr ATC Spindle is a powerful and versatile 12-tool and tool changer spindle that belongs in every serious engravers and millers. This 3.2 kW spindle has automated tool change functionality, allowing you to switch from tool to tool without having to manually change them. It is pneumatic water cooling and boasts an air pressure max of 20 psi and an adjustable spindle speed. This spindle features some really great features, including a bore of 2 mm, a 4-step ramping function, and a precision rack and pinion table that is parallel to within 0.005 mm. The spindle is made of all-steel construction, with a T-slot table and a 6-station tool holder. This 5.5 kW spindle is the professional workhorse you need to get a lot done in a short amount of time. Number 1. Yofuly BT30 ATC Spindle. Yofuly BT30 ATC Spindle is a must-have machine accessory for CNC router. With the use of Yofuly BT30 ATC Spindle, you can easily replace the spindle from the manual hand tools to make the job become more efficient. It can also be used in other spindle-operated machine that uses BT30 collet. It can be used to carve, mill or drill a variety of materials. The most commonly used machine to use this spindle are CNC routers, CNC lathes, CNC milling machines, drilling machines and etc. BT30 router spindle is compatible with all router models with BT30 collet that can be found in China, Europe, Italy, USA and so on. The great advantage of Yofuly BT30 ATC Spindle is that it can be installed directly to the router. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product review video from the channel.